Morning guys. So this is kind of the week that was meant to be shot in Dubai. However, if you guys follow me on social media, you'll already know yesterday I lost my passport. We couldn't travel to Dubai yesterday. I think that I've left it on the Eurostar. I've got a feeling that I'd put it inside a carry bag stupidly because we were in a rush to get onto the Eurostar train, and I feel like we've accidentally then thrown away the bag on the Eurostar, so it's not even anywhere at lost property, it's just in a bin. I think that's what's happened, and obviously I've not been away since. I've not needed my passport, so I've not even looked for it. So yesterday we were all packed, just about to leave. The driver was outside to take us to the airport to get to Dubai, and I was like, oh, I'll go get my passport, put it in my bag and then we'll go. And then I couldn't find my passport. We turned the whole flat upside down, didn't we?
Place is tip.
The place, well, it's all right now. I've tied it again. Alex is just on unpacking now. So obviously I was extremely upset. Very upset about it, that I'd let people down. It had all been booked. And I was had to cancel the flights and try and get refunds and all that kind of absolute inconvenience. So I felt absolutely awful for that. It was meant to be an amazing trip with Bulgaria. And now we've missed that, so I feel absolutely rubbish about it. I'm just so sorry to the Bulgaria team. So I've booked in for Wednesday for a passport appointment to go get a new passport. So that means we're in the house for a week. A lot of people have messaged me and said, look, you've been given the gift of time this week. You've got a whole week free. So we're using it wisely. We're in our gym kits. We're going to go out and have a nice breakfast just to kind of make ourselves feel a bit better, because obviously both lost out on a beautiful trip.
Doesn't matter.
Yeah.
I think it's just a way of the world telling you to slow down. Been very busy, very stressed. I think this is the only way we can actually get you to slow down, because you will not bloody stop. So yeah, it sucks and it would have been nice, but we get to go to the gym, we get to work out, we get to just, you get some headspace.
Catch up on work.
The universe has got a weird way of doing things, and I think it's all for a reason. So
yeah.
Don't worry about it.
Yeah, so thank you to all of you for your gorgeous messages. To the lady who messaged me saying boo-hoo, I hope that maybe one day you are in a situation where you feel like you're losing your passport, but you find it. I would never wish this on anyone else. But I hope you're in a situation one day where you feel like you might have lost your passport, so that you know how this feels, and maybe you'll be a little bit more sympathetic next time. We are now going to go out for some breakfast, and we're going to go to the gym, and then lots of things to do after that. This negative start will be a positive ending, I'm sure. So we found this new place in Notting Hill called Tab Tab. We came here last week. We really, really like it. So we've come here for breakfast. Alex loves
That's all I get. I don't bother getting anything else now.
the eggs. And then I went for this. I think it's called the amaranth porridge. It's kind of like a quinoa porridge with maple syrup and strawberries and pear. And it looks like a little bit like granola. And the coffee is next level. It's absolutely delicious. Because of what happened the other day with Dubai, and unfortunately because we missed the trip with Bulgaria, me and Alex just had a few things we needed to do, and we also just wanted to spend a bit of time together and just do something out of the house. So I've booked us into the Lanesborough Hotel, which is just on Hyde Park Corner. We have been here a few times before and we love it. It's just got such a traditional, regal, very London style. Yeah, we've come here for a little staycation. Beautiful. We have the most divine suite, this pastel blue suite. I've just ordered us some snacks to the room because we're just doing a little bit of work and we just wanted some little snacks, and the guy came in and set it all up for us. So lovely. They left us a bottle of champagne for our engagement. We threw into the bedroom, which is going to be amazing for tonight's sleep. Nice and cozy. So just taking some pictures, but I mean, how nice is this gorgeous gorgeous bathroom? I can show you again later when we've got rid of the lights. If you are coming to London and you want somewhere quite lovely and special to stay, then I highly recommend the Lanesborough. You can just have a little view of Hyde Park Corner out of the window here. Okay, we've come down for dinner in the Celeste restaurant, which you might remember just behind me. I had my launch event just here for my Strathbury bag collection, and I had lots of my friends here for that, so I love it in here. I am currently wearing my outfit for my challenge that I'm doing, my styling items that I dislike. I'm currently wearing that as part of my week of wearing these outfits. So, oh, do you want the mash? So I'm quite looking forward to actually changing, I'll be honest. I'm looking very glam, but watch that video and you can see all the rest of it. Look at this mashed potato. Stone bass, mash, veg, and gin. And my Alex. And to finish, pina colada souffle with coconut sorbet. Is this all for me?
It is all for you.
Really? All for me? Oh, you're so kind. You're so kind.
So keep your bright eyes focused on the coastline, waiting for you. Give me that bye-bye, baby, when the night comes into black from the blue. The nights have been through. Bye-bye, the only word I know, the only word on my mind. You got that power over me. Got that power over me.
We're back from the gig. We left a little bit early just because I wanted to get back and not have too late of a night. God, how old am I? Seriously. So we're just doing some filming early for Alex, so that's why there's some lights in here. I'm just gonna take off my makeup, get myself ready for bed. I love these robes. So cozy. You might remember this actually. I feel like I featured, so this is the Easter Tube toothbrush from Foreo. I'm pretty sure I featured this toothbrush a couple of years ago, and back then I had the turquoise one with white in the middle. This one is pink, cute. And I also have the matching Luna 2 as well, so like a little matching pair. But yeah, so I've used this toothbrush, this type of toothbrush, for ages. Foreo have asked me to talk to you about it and tell you about like the benefits and why I use it. I mean, you guys probably know that I went through braces last year, like for like 18 months. Having like the perfect smile kind of means a lot to me. That's why I went through kind of treatment for that long. I'd had braces when I was younger. Anyway, I'm so much happier now with my smile. I feel like my teeth are just so much better than they ever were. So, you know, kind of dental healthcare is kind of like top, such a massive priority for me personally. So I'm all about the electric toothbrushes. This one is kind of like a hybrid. You've got silicone on the outside, which is perfect for kind of like massaging the gums. And the inside, these are PBT polymer bristles, which clean the surface of the teeth. So this is like an electric toothbrush, but with much less abrasion, and it doesn't cause receding gums like a lot of the other electric toothbrushes do. It has 11,000 pulsations a minute, which is pretty amazing, 16 different intensity settings, and it also has a timer that times 2 minutes, and every 30 seconds it kind of buzzes, so you can kind of do your top corner, this side, this side, this side, all the different quadrants of your mouth, so it kind of times you through it. One of the best things about it though as well is that it just charges via USB, and you get 365 uses out of one charge. That's like, if you use this twice a day, then that's 6 months, and the brush heads last about 6 months as well. Plus the fact that this is silicone brush head, far more hygienic, much gentler on your teeth. Plus it also comes in 4 different colours, like I said, so you can kind of choose which one you like the most. But yeah, I've been a huge fan of this for a couple of years now, and you guys probably know I've had like the Lunas and these little cleansing brushes as well for so many years, and I'm pretty sure I worked with them a couple of years back as well, so I'm still a fan. So I thought this is a perfect way to kind of talk to you guys about it again. Oh, hey guys. What am I up to? What have I been doing today? So today I've been filming. I've started filming a cool little, it should be up on my channel now, a video about items that I hate. I mean, that's such a strong word. I hate using the word hate. Items that I don't like. I challenge myself to pick some items that I really would never ever choose and style them up for a week. And I've been out and about in a that can only be described as rivaling the Honey Puff Monster, pretty much. So it's been eventful to say the least. And then I went for a meeting after that. Now 8 o'clock. In complete honesty, I am just waiting and waiting for Shane Dawson to upload the newest episode of his Jake Paul series. In fact, it's just come up 11 minutes ago. Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna go watch that now whilst I do the dishes, because Alex just cooked a yasai itami. If you go to Wagamama's, you'll know what that is. It's delish. She's just made a vegan yasai itami, and yeah, and I've literally just announced my book, not my book, I announced that a while back, but the events for my book. An event in Manchester, 30th of October. My second event day after that is in London Selfridges on October 31st, and then I'm also doing an event in December at Dry By where I get my nails done. Oh, although this one, I broke part of the nail, so my shellac came off. But for my other beautiful perfect nails at Dry By. So that's it. The one thing I did want to talk about though is, oh, sneak peek of the rail. I've had a package through from Louise Aroma that I thought I'd share. No, first of all, I was just sent an absolutely incredible present from Victoria Beckham's team. It's a lovely little gift from Tiffany. It's a Tiffany bracelet that's been engraved with VM on it. I hope you can see that. How special. I literally had no idea that it would be on its way, and I'm absolutely over the moon. So thank you so much to the Victoria Beckham team. Yeah, I want to show you. I want to show you what's inside this box. I don't think I've vlogged since the other day when we missed our flights to Dubai. I haven't found my passport. Like I said, I think I left it. I left it in that bag. Yeah, it went in the bin. So we're gonna unbox this quickly together, because there are two things in here that I wanted to get with the idea of sending the one back that I like the least. My worry is I'm gonna like both just as much, and now I'm gonna be in a pickle. But these are like the ultimate autumnal winter things, and they're very, very neat. Oh my god, I can't get into this thing. Is some D-squared booties. Now, if any of you guys have been watching me for a little while, sorry, I'm down here. If you've been watching me for a little while, you might remember a pair of boots. Oh my gosh, these are insane. Oh, I love these so much. Look at these boots. Look at those boots. Oh, I just love them. The details, and this toe with a point with the flat, can you see that flat edge on the toe? This is me in a boot. This is me in a boot. Okay, I'm gonna have to try them on in a minute. So that's the first thing I got that I was literally like, I can't not try these. Second thing is, wow. Guys, oh my lordy. It's like a MaxMara teddy coat thing, but on the back, oh my gosh, this feels incredible. It has fringing. My goodness, this is love. If this isn't love, I don't know what love is. I'm sure those are lyrics from a song. My only worry is it being white, that it's potentially gonna get very damaged. Let's see. Wow. Okay, I'm a little unsure about this, so I feel like I should probably live in the desert. This is absolutely amazing and so snug, although very oversized. I mean, these are meant to be oversized, but I think maybe it is too oversized for me. I think it goes that way actually, does it? No, does it? I'm not sure on this fringing. I mean, it looks cool from the side. I'm not sure from the front if it's too much. But now the more I look at it, the more I'm kind of falling in love with this. Oh my lord, it's like a wool something mix. Look at that. That is the epitome of snug. This is serious big pimping right now. Yeah, so for example, if I put it together, it's obviously like really, really big. I don't think you could wear it like that. You'd have to just wear it open. But then I think open, it just looks too big on me. Oh, I'm so gutted because I love it. What do you think? Let's try the boots. Okay, I just fell head over heels in love with these boots. These are absolutely amazing. They are so me. I can't get over these. Well, that makes my choice for me then. Send back this some, now I've got some boots on, I'm like, I love this coat even more. Like with the boots, pretty good, right? I'm not sure about these though, I feel a bit like about to take off. But the boots, they are a keeper for sure. Let me go see what Alex thinks. What do you think of this jacket?
Dallas Buyers Club.
Right, so keeping the boots, guys. Keeping the boots. Don't know what accent that was. Hey guys, good morning. Battery's still going. Yes, full battery, great. About to go and get my nails to dry by. Already been to the gym this morning. See my friend later, and we're going to an event called Bride Looks. Kind of like a wedding fair sort of thing, so it's the first wedding-y thing. Oh, sorry, just dry shampooing with the less than 2 minutes that I have. I'm very late. This is what happens when you start phone calls with your mum when you're meant to be getting ready. Just using my fave Red Ken Pillow Proof, one and only. How does that look? Really awful. Okay, off we go.
You're like,
Hi guys, so I'm back at Dry By. I am just getting my feet and my hands done again. Where else would I ever go? Today we're trying out extensions, like the gel extensions, which I've never had before, and I thought, why not? Why not just have beautiful nails for next week for all of my book events? So I spent a little bit longer here. We're doing the gel extensions and it looks so amazing so far. So I thought I'd just sort of show you a little bit of the process. And then after this I'm going along to my my bridal show. Oh my gosh guys, look at these. This is literally the most amazing nail art I've ever had in my life. So it's taken 3 hours. We've had the extensions done, so my nails look insane. And you might recognise these colours from my book. We have kind of metallic pink, black and white. Aren't they just absolutely amazing? Okay guys, quick check-in. Finished with my nails. I'm absolutely in love with them. Like I said, it took 3 hours, but they look so good. Anyway, I am in my favourite place. It's been weeks guys, but I'm back at Joe and the Juice with my favourite. And I've got a tuna sandwich. I've got some time to kill before I see my friends, so why not come to Joe and the Juice? Okay guys, so I've met up with Nat, and we're now at BRIDAL, so it's like a big wedding fair inside the Barclay Hotel. Having like almost like a little Tom Ford bridal makeup almost trial. I'm going to try out a few different colours. See, because I have no idea what I'm doing yet, so I'm going to give it a try. And Nat's here too. Look at all these brushes, the dream. Look at this palette.
But the main colors I used on you actually were these two, and I used a little bit of this on the inside, like inner point here, but that was it.
Oh look, my absolute favourite. Just had my makeup done. Look at my eyes. For like Tom Ford look. I love it. I think my eyes look incredible. So I'm still not sure what I'm going to do yet for bridal makeup. But this is really like striking with all the different... I'll try and leave a list of the products down below that I used. But I love it.